lamb, a little lamb, a little lamb. Mariam loves the little lamb who plays with her around. Mariam has a little lamb, a little lamb, a little lamb. Mariam loves the little lamb like her lovely crown. Mariam has a little lamb. Eidul Azha came around. Allah asked for sacrifice. Tears came to the ground. Mariam loves the little lamb, the little lamb, the little lamb. But her love for Allah is most profound. Mariam took the little lamb onto the ground. The true meaning of sacrifice on Eid she found.